guys, I have got to show you something that I think is really cool. I'm gonna see, but look at this. Ta-da! This is, it's kind of looking a little beat up, but this is actually a cherry tomato that I dug out of the pig pen area last September, and it is now July, and it is still doing all kinds of fun stuff. I had to take it in the house and had it underneath of a light, and I got cherry tomatoes off of it. Not like a whole boatload where I was writing home about it or anything like that. And this is like one in here. It's just been wrapped around. I mean, it looks dry, and it looks ridiculous. Look at that. Look at all that root. I have trimmed it so many times. It has just put on a whole bunch of new flowers, a whole bunch of new things. This is what's amazing about God's design. Especially in the cherry tomato, those suckers will just pop up anywhere. They know exactly what time it is to plant. They are called an indeterminate. That means that their lifespan, life growth, whatever you want to call it, is indeterminate. It will just keep going as long as the conditions are right. Now here in northern Michigan, planting outside, obviously our conditions are only right for a couple of months for an indeterminate. But if you take it inside, you'll keep it growing and growing. So I technically bring that bad boy in the house again and keep it going. But I have a feeling I'll be able to find some other plants in the pig pen, and there's been some volunteer ones that have popped up in the garden that I'll be able to bring in and just kind of have some life and some growth during the winter, right? It's like, oh please, anything green and growing, this gardener's heart needs it during the winter. So I think that's really cool that that plant is just keep on going. Just keeps on going. It's pretty cool, huh?